Is this your purse? I'm starving. What is that?
Puzzle.
Good puzzle. There you go.
Look, it's hard.
Here. There.
Oh.
What is it?
Woody Buzz Lightyear to pay.
Uh-huh. Sounds like fun or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are those?
Where are these?
Slippers.
And a snow hat.
Okay, wait on that. Save this for last,
Okay.
because it's good. Go with these. I'll put this over here. You gotta wear this. Here, I'll wear it too. You wear yours?
What are
Put them in water and they grow into weird animals.
like bugs?
Uh-huh.
Ew!
Ew.
Disgusting, Dad!
It's fun. Bug fun. There's more stuff in here.
What? I'll do that after I open
Okay.
that. Hey! Preston has a flute.
Yeah.
He has a blue one and the other one.
It's a flutophone.
Flute fun!
Flutophone. You want a cookie?
Huh?
Cookie?
A butterfly! This, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Take all those. Not that one.
Huh?
Oh, there.
I said that one next.
Nope, they're saving that to last. Hit those. Okay. Wow, that cookie's good. That's junk food.
Junk food?
Mm-hmm.
Candy. Ugh. Ugh. Something. Stop. Ugh.
There you go. What's that?
I don't know.
Sucker?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Something. Wait. More?
What's in there?
I don't know.
Let me pull it out.
Not coming out.
Oh, pull. Still more in there. What is that? Put it on your hand and you shake somebody's hand and it'll shock them.
It'll shock the people's hand that saw.
Mm-hmm. They'll buzz them. That's it?
Yeah. Put it on him. So I can shock him.
Put it on you.
Hey, let me see what kind of cookies they are.
They're good. I got ice cream too.
Ice cream?
Come here.
Candy
Shake
thing.
my hand. Shake my hand.
My turn. No, to me. Put it on me.
I'll put it on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, shake my hand. Oh. Oh, you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
One more cookie?
Meh.
You want ice cream?
Meh.
No ice cream?
No.
Hmm?
I'll do this one after those.
Yeah.
After all of them.
What is that? Bouncy ball?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Cow.
Crazy.
Hey, this is what was the little kids in my school that have one of these.
Yeah.
What is it?
Makeup.
Real makeup?
Yeah.
What?
Mm-hmm.
I want it right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
We'll keep... Okay, we'll open the rest later.
I guess I want to open this
Or
one.
do you want to open the rest later? We can open the other two later.
What is this?
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that more makeup?
Yeah.
Is that Barbie makeup again?
My favorite. A cat trick.
Yeah. You like that? No. Get back. Stay up here. I think I gotta put batteries in it. Gonna put batteries in it?
I guess.
Yeah?
One more to open.
Okay.
And the last present. What is this?
Aquarium. Put water in it and the fish get gigantic.
What?
They get huge.
What about these little things?
The fish get really big.
Oh.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. There's one more in stocking, I think.
Okay. Yeah. Three. Wait. Two.
Toy Story cards. What is that?
Something you play with and makes noise. A phone?
Yeah.
Is it a real one?
No. Close.
It's a fake one.
Kind of fake. Acts real.
That's it.
Okay.
This one.
Close your eyes. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay. Here we go.
Roller skate shoes.
Yeah.
But it's only one pair.
Oh, there's one.
Huh?
One in here.
Oh.
Supposed to be. Yeah, there's two in there.
Oh, good. Goody.
Huh.